Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Look what I got here. Guys, this is the best leaf blower in the world, bar none. As far as I'm concerned, for what I use it for. This here is just a little bit of a hook I hang on the rafters. But you know what? Why is this such a good leaf blower? For me, this is the best leaf blower in the world. I'm going to start counting down the reasons why. The first reason is, guess what? I bought another one. That's a good reason why this leaf blower is a fantastic leaf blower. Now, I just finished making a video a couple of weeks ago about a repair I did on this video. Well, it wasn't a repair on the video, it was a repair on this. And that had really nothing to do with the quality of the leaf blower. It's the fall here, and I got lots of leaves. And I don't use this for blowing leaves most of the time. Maybe 5% of the time that I've ever used this leaf blower is for leaves. I use this leaf blower at least 3-4 times a week, summer and winter. Yes, I blow off all the walkways around here with the leaf blower, and I use it for blowing out my garage here. A lot of times I'm working with wood. I've done a lot of woodworking projects, and I blow out all the dust in the shop here, because you know what? It's dangerous when you're, leaving dust around your shop and welding, this kind of stuff. So yeah, this leaf blower I've had for well over 4 years. They still make the same one as far as I know. And it's just terrific. It starts every time. And for me, when I get a product like this that you can buy again 4 years later, to me, that's the best leaf blower in the world. And I bought another one. I'm going to take it out of the box. I'm not going to show you how the leaf blower actually blows and all this. This here has specs, all kinds of specs about how 170 mile an hour wind coming out the end of the tube and all that kind of stuff. But guys, when it comes down to it, you're watching a YouTube video, you see somebody blowing some leaves, well, whoop-de-doo. To me, you know what? You just got to get the experience with the leaf blower, whether you like it, whether it starts all the time, whether it works good. And I'm going to tell you another reason why this leaf blower is so good in a minute. But why did I buy another leaf blower? Well, I made a video up in my northern camp about using my leaf blower on my off-grid system using my inverter, and it works fine. But you know what? When I seen this one got a smoking good deal on it, I thought, you know what? I'll bring this one up to my camp, keep this one in the city. So I'm going to take this out of the box, we're going to put some fuel in it, we're going to prime it up, and we're going to get it started up, and let's see how she goes. Okay, there she is. She's all ready to go. Gonna show you another reason why this is the best leaf blower in the world for me. Just check this out, guys. You see, right? See if I can get that in there for you. 25 to 1 to 50 to 1. So no matter where you are in the world, you more likely have some two-stroke, mix that's already done. I have 50 to 1 for everything. I really like the Still products. But this particular situation here, I got a smoking deal on this many years ago, and the first one that I bought. Guys, when you get something that's really good and you like it, it works, it starts, it runs, you know what? You stick with good. And Hitachi makes awesome power tools. This comes with a 7-year warranty. And the repair that I did on the first one had nothing to do with the warranty. It was a repair part, and to me it's no big deal, right? So let's put some gas in this and let's see if she starts up. Now I'll tell you what, putting on this snorkel on the end here, guys, you gotta wrestle that baby right down, because it's a tight fit there, and once you get it on, you're never going to take it off anyways. So let's just put some fuel in here, and oh man, this is going to be nice. There, that should do her there. I know you guys are getting all excited here, aren't you? Okay. Okay, on this particular unit here, there's only an off button. That's all it is, just to shut it off. So she's wide open, go for it when you just start it up. The only thing you have to do with this, put it down for choke. And here's the primer bulb here, and you can see I've never had no fuel in this. So we're going to prime this up. Let's get her going here. There we go. So I'll give her some more prime here. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. There you go, right there. I just shut her down there. I don't want to be exhausting myself like crazy here, but oh no, she's a keeper. So, what do you guys think? Guys, I have no affiliation with this product as usual. It's just a product that I bought and a product that I use. And guys, to me, this is the best leaf blower in the world. Yes, there's a lot of better leaf blowers out there. I could have went and bought a Stihl. I could have went and bought a Husqvarna. I could have bought all kinds of different brands. But you know what? I wouldn't know how good this one was, you know, in comparison for the price. And I'm using this thing more than anybody out there probably ever uses their leaf blower for. And my neighbors, well, they can all attest to that. So thanks for joining me here today. If you get a chance to try out one of these, go for it. And to me, it's the best leaf blower in the world. Cheers.